Hello there, and welcome to Farnsworth Reads with Farnsworth Archibald Turner. Welcome to my library. Today we are going to be reading Little Blue Truck. Horn went beep, engine purred, friendliest sound you ever heard. Little Blue Truck came down the road. Beep, said Blue to the big green toad. Toad said croak, and a wink of his eye. The little blue truck went rolling by. Sheep said baa, cow said moo, oink said piggy, beep said blue. Cluck said the chicken, and her chick said beep. Ma said the goat, blue said beep. Nay, said the horse, quack said the duck, beep said the friendly blue truck. Oh! Yelled the dump truck, coming through. I've big important things to do. I haven't got time to pass the day with every duck along the way. Vroom! Went the dump around a curve. He saw a puddle, he tried to swerve. Into the mud rolled the big fat truck, and his big important wheels got stuck. His heavy-duty dump truck tires were stuck deep down in muck and mire. Oh! Cried the dump. He sounded scared, but nobody heard, or nobody cared. Then into the mud, bump, 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 came the friendly little blue truck to help the dump. Little Blue pushed with all his might. Now Blue and the dump were both stuck tight. Help, help, cried Little Blue Truck. Beep, beep, beep. I'm stuck, I'm stuck. Everyone heard that beep, beep, beep. The cow came running with the pig and the sheep. Up at a gallop ran the big brown horse. Goat jumped over the fence, of course. The hen came flapping with her chicks and the duck, and everyone pushed the Little Blue Truck. Head to head and rump to rump, they pushed Blue, who pushed the dump. They couldn't quite push that heavy load. Then who hopped up but the big green toad? All together now, 1, 2, 3, one last push, and the trucks were free. Thank you, little brother, that said the dump to Blue. You helped me, and they helped you. Now I see a lot depends on a helping hand from a few good friends. Beep said, who wants a ride? Everyone scrambled to jump inside. Boink, quack, baa, moo, cluck, peep, neigh, croak, ah. Beep, beep, beep. Well, I enjoyed reading this book with you. I hope you enjoyed reading it with me. And please come back to my library and we'll read some more.
Well, hello. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure that you subscribe and follow and tell a friend. And of course, if you have a request, please email me at farnswortharchibaldturner@gmail.com.